Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Liberian fish pepper soup. First, select fresh fish, such as snapper or tilapia, about 2 pounds. Next, gather your vegetables, 1 large onion, 2 bell peppers, and a few hot peppers to your taste. Don't forget your essential spices like fresh ginger, garlic, and a little salt. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your fish and cutting it into manageable 2-inch pieces. Season these pieces generously with salt and black pepper. Next, finely chop your large onion and 2 bell peppers. Now, blend your fresh ginger, garlic, and hot peppers together until you have a smooth, aromatic paste. This paste will form the flavorful base of your soup. Heat about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot. Add your blended ginger, garlic, and pepper paste, sautéing until it becomes wonderfully fragrant, which takes about 2 minutes. Stir in your chopped onions and bell peppers, cooking for 5 minutes until they soften. Gently add the seasoned fish pieces and 4 cups of water, then simmer for 15 minutes. Before serving, taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps adding a little more salt or a dash of black pepper. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro or parsley for a vibrant finish. Serve your delicious Liberian fish pepper soup hot, perhaps with a side of rice or fufu. It's truly a comforting and flavorful meal. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.